CTOR is a strategy two-player game where the winner is the one who has the greater number of chips of his or her color on the numerated field. The game is over when there are no free cells left on the field. In one turn, each player can put 2 of his or her chips on free cells, move 2 of his or her chips or 1 chip twice to the adjacent free cell vertically or horizontally, landing, remove any 2 chips and put 1 on an empty cell, and replace the opponent's chips. If an opponent's chip is surrounded by at least 5 of your chips, you can replace this chip with your own. This takeover can be performed any number of times during your turn. In one turn, a player can do these operations in any sequence or skip unwanted operations. Along the edges of the playing field there are colored cells. For those colored cells, there is a special rule of behavior for the chips. If a player puts or moves a chip on a color numerated field, he or she puts or moves a copy of this chip on the opposite side of the field to a cell of the same color, no number. For corner cells, put or move 3 copies of the chip. Simple rules, original field, and millions of strategies.